In this video, I will show you how to fix if you don't have the Create Broadcast channel on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, open up the Instagram app on your device. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the arrow up here. And as you can see on this particular account, there is no option to broadcast. So what you're going to want to do is actually take a screenshot on your phone. So this is normally done by holding down the volume down button and the power button at the same time. And once you've done that, you can come out of here. So next, what you're going to want to do is come to your profile by clicking onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three lines to open up a menu. First, what you want to do is go into settings and privacy and make sure you don't have your account set to private. So in account privacy, you want to make sure this is set to public and you don't have the private account option on. If you do have this on, you're not going to be able to do a broadcast. So once you've done that, come back to this menu, and if you come down to the bottom, you want to go on to help underneath more info and support. Then go ahead and select report a problem at the top. On the pop-up that comes up, just go ahead and click on the blue report problem button. And on this at the bottom, just press the include and continue blue button. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and basically upload your screenshot that you took. So you press the upload button here. Then go ahead and add the screenshot just like so. So next, what you're going to want to do is type the following. So I want to make a streaming channel on Instagram, but do not have the option to broadcast. Please, can you look into this for me? Thanks. So once that's done, just go ahead and send that through. Now, generally it takes about 48 hours for you to receive a response from Instagram. This might be directly through the Instagram app, or it might be an email sent to the email which linked to your account. So just keep an eye on your email and Instagram app. And what it will do is look into that and see if you're eligible to have a broadcast channel. So that is how to go ahead and fix if you are unable to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.